Hello, my name's Lindsay Kittner. I'm the Vice President of Product Management here at Tataran Telecom. Today I'm going to do a short little video on how to use your Touch client as a Aeonix contact center agent in PC-less mode. To do this, what you do is you'll have to program up your virtual buttons first. So you need to hit the More button in the lower left-hand corner, go to Features, and then you will then go in and you will program or add a Aeonix Contact Center button. By selecting Aeonix Contact Center type, you'll then go to Subtype and then program in the functionality that you're looking for, whether it's a wrap-up code, release and resume with code or without code, log in and out of primary groups, log as a general login for your group, etc. Once you have these buttons programmed on your Aeonix Touch in the virtual buttons, you can then go ahead and access or activate those with a single depression. So if you notice, I'm going to log into the Aeonix Contact Center simply by pressing it, and you'll notice that I now have a red icon on here showing that I am logged into the group. I can go ahead and I can put myself into release simply by hitting that button. You'll notice that I also have a red icon showing me that I am in release mode. To resume back into Aeonix Contact Center, I simply just press it again and I can unrelease myself. So I'm now active to take calls on the system. And if I want to log out of the ACC totally, I can simply go ahead and just press the icon and log myself out of the Aeonix Contact Center. So this is an example of how to use the Aeonix Contact Center in conjunction with Aeonix Touch in PC-less ACD mode. If you have any further questions on this, feel free to reach out to us. Our website is www.tatarantelly.com. Thank you.